Hello, friends. Welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a project share with you. Please don't mind my boxes down there. I'm working on some tumblers, so I pulled out a bunch of hog tumblers and they're down there on the floor. So please don't mind that. But I wanted to share this with you. Now, I know that so Scott and I did this with a CNC router. I know that not everybody has that. You can do a similar thing with your Cricut maker. You just couldn't make it as thick because this is a little bit thicker of wood and this is oak. But I still wanted to do a project share. I thought it was really cute idea and it came out really nicely. And some of you may actually have a CNC machine. So we made this puzzle for Matthew. So it's got a little spot where he can hold it. And this is super cute. So each of the shapes, it has the little shape actually carved out of it so that that's a handle. Then I use my Cricut and, I just put the name of the shape in the bottom of it. And then I also put his initial for his name on there. And then here's the star. And then the A. And then triangle. And then there's this little T. And square. And there's this little T. Gotta clean the dust out of it. But this came out so cute, and I wanted to paint it. I was originally going to do like bright primary colors, but I thought, this is, it's a homemade kind of like rustic looking puzzle. So I decided that I'd use like the more rustic colors on it, and I used chalk paint. I love the way chalk paint looks. And then it's got this nice little lip in it, and of course he sanded it down nicely for him. And yeah, so this came out super cute. If you'd like to see it being made, I am going to add the video of it being made. And yeah, I hope that you like the share, and maybe it gave you some sort of good idea. And this is going to be a nice little gift for little Maddie Bug. So listen, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. Thanks, friends. See ya. Bye. All right, so here is my puzzle. Now, again, you know, Scott did this puzzle with his CNC router. Let me make it so you can see the whole thing. And this turned out so cute. So he made it so that there's a handle carved out of each shape so that he can pick it up and we don't have to glue a handle on it. And, you know, Matthew is only 1, so we didn't make the spaces too tight. We made sure that there was enough room that he could get it in there. Now, I'm going to paint each of these, and I was initially going to do these with primary colors. However, I decided that I'm going to actually do these with more like country colors, because, you know, it's a homemade little thing and I want to use chalk paint and just, you know, make it completely like more of a little country looking project. All right, so now we have our pieces are dry, and I did end up doing the undersides after all, because after I did them, I realized that I actually didn't really like it. Not done. So I might have to, I have my letters here. I want to put his little initials on. So I just did these. This is some Oracal paper, vinyl. I'm going to put them so that when he lifts them up, he sees it. So I'm going to put them so that the letters face this way. And I'm hoping that I didn't make them too big. Well, I say that and maybe it depends on, oh yeah, no, that'll be good. That'll actually work out well because the T for the on the triangle needs just, so that actually works out really well. All right, so there we go. There's M, and then it says circle in there. A. And then star in there. And then triangle. T. And then T and square. And we're done.